Hello guys, it's me again, Fatima Adnan. So now guys, I am here in my madam home, and yes, today I am come back, and this is my room. Yes, this is my room. And so now guys, from my home I bring this wait, yes, which, my god, I bring also grapes. What is this? And yes, let's go guys. I wait check. I have many I bring this because my mother-in-law give me this. Yes, this one, 3 4 5 6. Yes, that's it guys. Look, it's empty. And this side, what is this? Wrong way. This is my, this all my, wait, I close first my bag. This is my Garnier, but I put something on it for my shower, like this one. I don't know how much this. This is my mic for my blog, and this is my sabon, and this also my, and this one for my panty, and this is toothpaste. I buy this only for 1 month. This month I'm not buying my shampoo because I have so much shampoo. That's why only this I buy, this and this one. 4 things I buy because I need save. Yes, guys. So that's it. Oh, I have guava. This is my favorite guava. Green. Yes, that's it guys. So now I put this in my drawer. I won't clean my drawer. And this is my drawer. Wait. My god, so much jungle. I need fix this I put here my all things. I put my food here. This one. So much big guys. This all. Yes. This all guys. And this side I also fix this. And this I don't know where I put my I think here on my this is my scrub. This is my scrub, my shampoo, my toothbrush, like that. Yes. This is my bed. Yes, this is my bed. And I put this on my cupboard. On my... Oh my god. Like a jungle. Oh. I put on this in my bag. So now guys, that's it. Why? For now, I put in my bag because no space. I feel tired. I feel sleepy. Okay, guys. So now, guys, I need to. That is bed of my coworker. So now she fixing her bed, and then yes. So now guys, bye bye guys, Lafis. Oh my god, that is my bye bye guys, Lafis. Please subscribe my YouTube channel and please support my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye-bye.